Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, in the diagram, AB is parallel to EF is parallel to DC. Given that AC plus BD equals to 275, BC equals to 110 and EC plus ED equals to 165. Then find CF. Now, firstly, consider the different variables for the different lengths in this figure. A, B, C, D. Here EF is there, which is parallel to AB and DC. Suppose BE is A, this is BF is B, FC is C, and this AE is X, ED is Z, and this EC is Y. Now, from given, we can observe here, as AC plus BD equals to 275, so X plus Y plus A plus Z equals to 275. Suppose this is 1. C means B plus C, which is 110. Suppose this is 2. And EC plus ED, that is Y plus Z equals to 165. Suppose this is 3rd. Now from 1 and 3, X plus A will be 275 minus 165, which is 110. Now, triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFG. So, the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. So, AC upon EC equals to BC upon FC equals to AB upon EF. That is X plus Y by Y equals to B plus C by C. So, it will give X by Y plus 1 equals to B plus C divided by C. So, C will be B plus C by X by Y plus 1. Suppose this is 4. Also, here, triangle DEC is similar to triangle BEA. So, DE upon CE or DE upon BE equals to EC upon EA. That is DE upon CE equals to BE upon AE. So it is 165 minus Y by Y equals to 110 minus X divided by X. It will give Y by X equals to 165 divided by 110. That is 3 by 2. So the ratio X by Y is 2 by 3. Now, from 4, C will be B plus C is given as 110 divided by this X by Y means 2 by 3. So it is 2 by 3 plus 1. 2 by 3 plus 1. So C is 110 divided by 5 by 3. That is 66. Hence, length of, here we consider CF as C. So length of CF is 66.